Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be learning about artifacts in Claude. So, artifacts in Claude are interactive, dedicated windows that appear alongside your chat, allowing you to instantly view, render, edit, and iterate on code, documents, or apps generated by Claude 3.5 Sonnet. They bridge the gap between conversation and creation, thus acting as a workspace for code, data visualization, and website. So let us see how you can create an artifact. So basically artifacts can also be created while simply chatting, and if you have decided to build something using Claude, but in other case you can also create specific artifacts as well. So let me show you an example of both the ways. So in the first method I will be simply prompting Claude to make me a simple HTML page. So now as you can see, I have prompted Claude to make me a basic quick HTML page, and now let us see what Claude gives us. So now this is the answer that Claude has given me. Like, what would you like HTML page to be about? So I can simply choose anything. So for example, let's say a landing page. Now let us see what Claude gives us next. So this particular response will not be an artifact. An artifact will look something like it will produce. So let us wait for it to produce the artifact, and meanwhile I can show you from, if you wish to separately create an artifact, then you can simply click onto this artifacts option right here. So now here you can see that it is creating a stylish landing HTML file. So this particular thing will be an artifact, and the moment this particular coding will be completed, it will launch the artifact onto our working chat. So we will give it some time in order to code, and meanwhile you can click onto this artifacts option, and from here you can see all of the artifacts. If you wish, you can use the inspiration artifact. In this I find the Anthropic office simulator very useful, and it was quite fun to play. Apart from that, you also have your artifact section from where you can access all of the artifacts that you have created. You can simply create an artifact by clicking onto this create artifact option as well. And from here it says let's go cooking, pick an artifact category, and you can start building your idea from scratch. So from here you can easily build an artifact and you can easily share it to with them. So for example, let us say if we say quick survey, so it says quiz or survey. Now you see it is asking me what I would like for quiz and survey. So it is basically the iteration of the previous chat that we are currently completing. So let's say a knowledge or trivia quiz just for fun, and code with results. And then we'll give it the prompt and let's say what it builds. Meanwhile, we'll go to our previous chat and see what it has done. So as you can see, this is now an artifact. As you can see, it has created a beautiful landing page in just a couple of seconds. And this is an artifact. You can easily publish this artifact by clicking onto this publish button, or you can also download it using this download button as well. To view the code of the same, you can simply click onto this code option and you can copy the same with a single click using this copy button. So this was all about artifacts in your Claude. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.